Alright, so in this video we'll make notification real time. So what we'll use to make it real time is this Laravel WebSockets. Alright, so this one you can go to official documentation for setup process. So first thing, we need to include this package in our project like so, composer require. So once that is done, next what we need to do is we need to set up broadcasting. So inside notification broadcasting, so let's go to event broadcasting documentation. So after you pull in this using composer require, you just need to follow this documentation and set up. So first thing first, we need to go to config app, where we need to uncomment this broadcast service provider so that broadcasting feature is enabled. Next, so this is already in our case CSRF token, otherwise you have to verify whether there is CSRF token in your, so this comes by default, CSRF token in here. And next thing, we need to install this package. So we will be not using pusher, but we need this package because that Laravel WebSocket package is built on top of this package, so we need to require this. So composer require pusher. So once that is finished, in my case I've already installed that. So and next thing is, so once that is pulled in, what you have to do is you have to tell we will use that that service. So in broadcast driver we need to make pusher. So we will be not using pusher, but we'll be utilizing that package, that's why we need to make that. Alright, so I think that's it for broadcasting setup. Let's go to Laravel WebSocket documentation. So in installation we have already run this, and then after that, if you want we need one migration file to save all statistics about. Okay, so migration done, then you can do PHP artisan migrate to create that table. Alright, and if you need configuration file, you have to publish that as well. Let's publish. Okay, so that will create config WebSockets, and here inside this we got this default configuration and all other stuff. If you need to change it, you can change it there. So we already required this, we make it pusher driver, broadcast driver to pusher. And so another thing we need to change inside config broadcasting is these three: host, port, and that. So let's go to config broadcasting, and here we need to change, copy and paste it here like so. So we are telling that this request will not go to pusher server, instead it will go to our own Laravel WebSocket server on this port and this host. So if you want to use Laravel Echo, which will be using in front end, so Laravel Echo code will be in our bootstrap.js inside resources.js. Alright, so this code is commented, and to uncomment this you'll need first Laravel Echo and pusher.js. So if you are running it first time, you'll not get that. What you have to do is go to Laravel Echo section. So Laravel Echo section, and we need to install these two. Yeah, so I think we already run npm install, so make sure you run npm install first so that you got all packages. So in our case we have already run in previous video, so here we will only install these two, Laravel Echo and pusher.js. Alright, so let's install that. So once that is installed, we need to go to that bootstrap.js that we just got there, And once those two are installed, we need to uncomment these. Okay, so if you are using PHP Storm, you can verify if that is installed by going control click, and here you need to put in some extra keys from here. Alright, so with that step complete, we have set up Laravel WebSockets. Now only thing we need to do is we need to just run the server, our WebSocket server. Alright, so instead of pusher, this server will handle all the real-time stuff. So let's keep it running on some terminal. So it is running here. I'll open up new terminal to do other tasks. One more thing, in your .env file, since we are using pusher keys and all other thing, so you don't need pusher account, but you can put anything random here. Like I put any ID, some key, some secret, like, so you can put in anything you want here. So once that is done and this is keep running, let's check if we are receiving a notification or this WebSocket package is working or not. So to check that, what we'll do is, so we'll use this presence channel in our admin.view. So admin.view on created. So just to test, let's check this out. And we are listening for this channel, and let's go and refresh. Open up console. Alright, so after setup, if you get something like this error, so in my case that was because in bootstrap.js, so we don't need this encrypted equals to true, so remove that. Also remove this, and now if we refresh, yeah, so now we can get the real time, so present user, which we are doing here. So we are joining the chat and then present, we are displaying the present user, so which is present here. So if any other user logs in, that will be also displayed on. So that will show that our this WebSocket is working now. Now let's make our notification real time. So in order to do that, we need to go to our notification class, user registered. So here currently we are just saving in database. What we need to do is we need to do broadcast. Alright, so we also want to broadcast, so we need any another method with another broadcast method, so that you can find on notifications. So broadcast notification, and here you need this method, broadcast notifications. Okay, so let's put it here, broadcast notifiable. We need this new broadcast message, and broadcast message will be also like this. So once that is done, whenever this notification is triggered, it will also broadcast. So let's see in which channel it will broadcast. I think it will broadcast, so listening for notification, it will broadcast on the this app.user and user ID. Alright, so we can just copy that and let me put it to another one. Okay, so let's go to our admin.view, and whenever something this thing is created, echo.private app, then user ID. So this dot user dot ID, so this user is we are accepting as props. So we are listening for app user, and then notification type, let's dump whole notification. So new notification. So we don't need that. Okay, so it is loading, and now let's register another person in new tab. So let's register another user, Suresh2. Let's register. Yeah, we got this newly created user and all data regarding that. So Suresh2, Suresh, like that. Okay, so now if we refresh, we get that all notification, but what we'll do is we will do that on real time, where we are listening for that. So here echo private, and we are getting all notification. So what we'll do is we'll assign this dot all notifications equals to notification. We just need to push it there. Push notification, like so. So here user register, we are broadcasting created user and that, but instead we need to broadcast the notification itself. Let's make those same. So we want to broadcast different thing. We want to broadcast whole notification object. Okay, so notification, so that will be notification notifiable. So notifiable notifications, we want to get the last notification. So last will be the recently created, or what we can do is we can do latest and then first. So notifiable notifications latest and then first one, return first one. Alright, so that should work. Admin dot notification dot notification, so that will be the whole notification object that will be pushing. So yeah, that should work. So let's open it side by side. So test Suresh. Okay, so let's change it something. Password will be secret. So let's register. So we got one notification. This Suresh has just registered, so we are getting that notification. So now it is working on real time. So there are many refinements that you can do here, but for now this is the basic idea of notifications. So we'll do the refinement next. So see you in the next video. Bye.